Hey friends, if you wish to use the translation features of Microsoft Word, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So here's the thing. We have a lot of AI and other tools for translation these days, but I never knew that Microsoft Word had better capabilities, and I'll show you how. So I'll go to the review tab on the top, and we have translate here. We have two options to translate a certain selection or translate the document. First, I'll show you how to translate the complete document. Okay, I'll just click on this. Okay, and then I will click on translate and it will translate the document, but it's showing it in English because I did not select a language. So we will have to select a language, let's say French. Okay, I'll translate this document to French. Okay, now if I have to translate a certain selection, I will check that certain selection. I'll go to the review tab, I'll click on translate and I'll select translate selection. Okay, and then I'll get the translation here and I can insert it. Okay, it will be inserted at the same place. So you can either translate the complete document or you can translate a part of it. I will translate it back. So I'll go to the review tab again, translate document. I will make document, I'll make it English. And then I can also select whether I always want it translated to this language or not, depending upon my requirements. And then I'll click on translate and it's back as it is. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.